Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Animate on your computer. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Animate. So here you can see I have searched for it. So just wait. So here you can see there is no Adobe Animate is showing, but here is Adobe Creative Cloud. So now click on it. So now as I have already installed it, this is showing as open, but in your case, this will show as install. So after installing, you can open it from here. So here you can see I'm inside the Adobe Creative Cloud, but you have to sign in and log in after opening it. So after logging in, this screen will show. Now go to apps. So now scroll down and here you can see Adobe Animate is showing. So now click on free trial and just wait. So here you can see here are some plans which are showing you can buy according to your need. So this is how you can download Adobe Animate officially on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.